We are largely dependent on the small and medium enterprises in Uganda already, and even our large companies are largely dependent on them for either the raw materials or to deliver products and services to the market. So the SMEs in Uganda are contributing immensely to job creation. Yes, there are opportunities for small and medium enterprises in all these sectors. Well, you have to have a vision. I encourage our entrepreneurs, go into the sector you have a passion for, something that really makes your day. You know, don't go into a business because your neighbor is in that business, because somebody else is making profit. And get all the information, learn. So you can be trained. There are short-term courses for everything in Uganda. Universities do train the businesses. You can even get individual training, so know your business. Then secondly, develop your business plan. So the business plan, you need to look at the financing, you need to look at the machinery you need to look at the management, who are you going to use. If it's a big business, you better get professional management, not your cousin, not your relative. Get professional managers. Then you need to look at the market. Is there a market for that product? If there's no market, forget the business. You may not be able to run it successfully. Then are the markets local? Are they international? Have you looked at the transport costs? So you really need to do a comprehensive study of your business. Develop the business plan and go to the banker with figures that show that it will be commercially viable. First of all, they need to be informed. You go to the banker when you know your side of the business. So you need to collect information, and information is available on the internet, within agencies of government, within private sector institutions like Private Sector Foundation, UMA. So we encourage the entrepreneurs, first of all, to get fully involved and informed about their own sector, then develop their business plan. The tips are, you go to the bank, you should be confident. You should know what you're talking about. You should be able to convince your banker. Secondly, you should bank with that bank. So open a bank account, open your business banking account with that particular bank, and have a track record. So bank everything. Our entrepreneurs used to tend to sell, use the money and not necessarily bank it first, immediately use it, sometimes on personal issues. So we've asked them to change that. All your sales, go to the bank first. After that, you can then be able to write checks to various people that you need to pay. But make sure everything's going through the bank so that they can see that you have a track record. So those are some of the tips, and ensure that the money for your business is separate from your personal account. That you have to be clear separation between your business account and your personal account.